Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today, I am going to read about bedtime stories. It is Peppa Pig bedtime box of books. Here we go. We have 20 books to read. Today, our book's gonna be The Nature Trail. Here it is, and I have to take it off. All right. This is Nature Trails. Peppa and her family are so busy following animal footprints that they manage to get lost. How will they find their way back to the car to have their picnic? Let's find out. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asks Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. As if I would, Daddy Pig laughs. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mommy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mommy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, said Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig gives Peppa some binoculars. The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They are eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants, which are collecting leaves to eat. I think it is time for lunch, says Mommy Pig, but Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car. Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Asks Mommy Pig. Dogs love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to their car. We are here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa. I love picnics, says Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, 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 quack. So do the birds, and so do the ants. Yum, yum. Everybody loves picnics, cries Peppa. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.